Hi, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas. It is January of 2023, and I'm here outside of room 11205 at the Palms Hotel. There are three towers here at the hotel. I'm in the Fantasy Tower, but they're all located pretty much equally in terms of convenience to the casino floor and all of that. This is a standard guest room with a king bed, and as I come in, the bathroom is to my left. There's no tub here, but it's one of the largest, most spacious showers that I've seen. And frankly, I prefer having just the shower and making that shower larger instead of trying to squeeze a small shower into the space. In terms of how good the water pressure is, the water pressure seems like it's great. You've only got one vanity here, but that's fine. And you have your standard generous array of bathroom amenities. Now, one of my favorite features of this hotel is the fact that there is a door between the bathroom, or between the toilet room and the rest of the bathroom. What that means is that if somebody needs to use the toilet, somebody else can be out here doing whatever they need to do, brushing their teeth, washing their hands, getting ready for the day. There's also plenty of power plugs in here. No USB plugs, but that's probably not what you need inside the bathroom. So let's go out into the main area of the room. And as we get here on the left, there is a minibar. Now, one of the things that you need to know is that the minibar does not allow you to store your own stuff in it. You'll have to rent a fridge if you have something you need to keep refrigerated. However, as minibar prices in Vegas go, they're not particularly bad, particularly if you're trying to get a nightcap. And I really appreciate the fact that they've given me a printed list instead of making me look it up somewhere else. That's a lot better than a lot of Vegas hotels do. If you haven't come to Vegas before, please don't touch anything in the minibar until you've decided to purchase it, because it will automatically charge to your room as soon as you do. You have a closet, and it's just kind of your standard closet. There's plenty of space for my stuff, along with, of course, a safe. Then coming out into the main area of the room, the TV's been on most of the day. It was turned on when I got here, but it's at great volume. It's a good, crisp, clear picture, and it's a huge TV relative to the space, so that's great. The bed, one of my only complaints about this room is that the bed is super, super soft. And I'm sure that'll be fine when I go to bed, but if you've got back issues or something like that, you might prefer a little bit of a firmer mattress. The clock is not set to the correct time. You've got one power plug and a couple of USB plugs there. You also have a great couch area. And again, probably not like a great couch area for entertainment if you want to sit and read or do whatever you're going to do. You have another set of power plugs on this side of the bed. And in addition, yet more power plugs here at the work desk area. It's actually a really good workspace, and this room feels very, very spacious. Now, my particular room came with a nice view, and it was distinctly not a particular view room, but you can see out down the Las Vegas Strip. I've got a nice view. It's pretty in the daytime too. So, things you need to know about staying at this hotel. It's, as you can see, it's located off the Strip. The only hotel you can really walk to is the Gold Coast and maybe the Rio. But you're going to need a cab or an Uber if you're going to go all the way down to the Strip or to some other hotel, and that's a little bit of a disadvantage. However, the hotel itself has been great. They've got several restaurants, all of which look good. I'm going to the steakhouse, Scotch 80 Prime, a little bit later on tonight, and I'm looking forward to that. They've got good bar service downstairs. They've got really good casino gambling rules. So it's a nice place to stay. It's a good full-service hotel. The pool is pretty. I went into the spa earlier today. It's a good place, just know that it's a little bit far away from the rest of the Strip. At Dine Drink Vegas, what we try to do is bring you short, focused videos to give you the information you need to make a decision about your trip to Vegas. I hope we've done that in this video, and if we have, I would really appreciate your support for the channel by having you click like and subscribe. We also love to hear from our viewers. So write something in the comments section. Ask us any questions you have. Tell us where you like to stay when you're in Vegas. And in particular, I'd love to hear your thoughts about staying so far off the Strip. Thanks so much, and happy travels.